Hello everyone, Happy New Year and welcome back to the channel. And if you're new here, hi, it's nice to meet you. My name is Michaela and welcome to my channel Learn with Michaela. This is a full A1 beginner lesson. You don't need perfect English, you don't need fast English. You just need to listen, relax and practice. In this lesson, you will learn how to greet people naturally, how to ask, how are you? How to introduce yourself and others, how to be polite in English, and how to have your first real conversation. Remember to take your time, feel free to pause the video if you need to, and speak with me. Let's begin. Let's start with greetings. In English, we often begin with hello. Let's take a look at the 3 most common greetings. Hello. Hello. Hello is polite. Hi. Hi. Hi is friendly. And some people like to use hey. Hey. Hey is a bit more informal. So the most common greetings are hello, hi, and hey. Now let's take a look at friendly and natural greetings. Hello there. Hello there. Hi there. Hi there. Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Hi everyone. Hi everyone. We use there to sound a little bit more friendly. Hello there. Hi there. We use everyone when we are referring to a group of people. So if you walk into a room and there are a group of people, you can say, hi everyone, or hey everyone. Let's practice. Repeat after me. Hello. Hi. Hello there. Nice to see you. Excellent. Well done. Nice to see you is another way of saying it's great to have you here. Now let's look at greeting people using the time of day. The most common time greetings are good morning, good morning, good afternoon, good afternoon, and good evening, good evening. We do not say good night to greet people. We say good night when we are leaving or when we are going to sleep. Here are a couple of natural sentences to help you. Good morning. How are you today? Good evening. Nice to see you. Repeat after me. Good morning. Great. Good afternoon. Excellent. Good evening. Good job. After greetings, we usually ask how someone is. Here are a few common questions you can ask. How are you? How are you? How are you today? How are you today? How are you doing? How are you doing? How's it going? How's it going? A little bit more informal, this one. And here are a couple of friendly, easy questions. How are things? How are things? Everything okay? Everything okay? And let's look at some common answers so you know how to respond. I'm fine, thanks. I'm fine, thanks. I'm good, thank you. I'm good, thank you. I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm doing well. I'm doing well. Not bad. Not bad. And remember, in English, it is very common that if someone asks you how you are, you then should ask them how they are, to always be polite. Here are a couple of phrases you can use to be polite. And you? And you? How about you? How about you? Now let's put together everything we've learnt so far into a practice dialogue. Hi, how are you today? I'm good, thanks. How about you? Good job. Now let's take a look at introducing ourselves. Here are a few expressions you can use to introduce yourself in English. My name is, and then you say your name. For example, my name is Michaela. You can also shorten this one to my name's. For example, my name's Michaela. It's not necessary to separate name and is. Usually, when we are speaking casually and fluidly, we say my name's. But of course, you can also say my name is. We can also use I'm, which is short for I am. For example, I'm Michaela. When you want to introduce someone else, we usually use this is. For example, this is my friend, or this is my teacher. If you want to ask someone what their name is, you can say, what's your name? Or a more formal version, may I ask your name? This one isn't so common. It's very formal. And here are some polite responses you can use after someone has introduced themselves. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Pleased to meet you. Pleased to meet you. Nice meeting you. Nice meeting you. Now see if you can repeat after me and don't forget to include your name. My name is... I'm... Nice to meet you. Excellent. Now you know the basics. Let's move on to politeness. This is so important in English. The most common polite words are please, please, thank you, thank you, thanks a lot, thanks a lot, you're welcome. This is short for you are welcome. You're welcome. And here are a few ways to say sorry in English. We value this word a lot when someone makes a mistake. You can simply say sorry, sorry, or I'm sorry. I'm sorry, short for I am sorry. Or if you are in a queue and you need to get past a few people, you can say excuse me. Excuse me. Here are a few examples using those polite words. Please help me. Please help me. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Sorry, I'm late. Sorry, I'm late. Excuse me, please. Excuse me, please. Let's practice. Repeat after me. Please. Please. Good. Thank you. Thank you. Good job. Sorry. Sorry. Well done. Excuse me. Excuse me. Brilliant. Now let's put everything together in a first full conversation using all of the vocabulary that we have looked at today. Listen first and then pause the video so that you can have a try at saying the dialogue. Hi there. Hello. How are you today? I'm doing well, thank you. And you? I'm fine, thanks. My name's Alex. I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. See you later. Bye. Take care. I'm now going to repeat the same dialogue again. This time I will take it slower so that you can follow along too. Hi there. Hello. How are you today? I'm doing well, thank you. And you? I'm fine, thanks. My name's Alex. I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. See you later. Bye. Take care. Amazing. Well done. Now to finish, let's see if you can repeat after me these phrases. Hello. Hello. How are you? How are you? My name is Michaela. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Goodbye. Goodbye. Fantastic. You did great today. Learning a new language can be very challenging, but remember, it's a process. It's all about progress, not perfection. Remember, every single time you practice, your English gets better. Don't worry about mistakes. That's how we all learn and improve. And I am very proud of you for finishing this lesson. If you enjoyed today's lesson, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with an English learning friend. And in the comments, say, hello, my name is. I really look forward to reading all of your comments and getting to know who is learning with me. Don't forget to keep practicing, smile, and have fun learning English every day. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.